had a great walking tour with Mustafa. He managed to show us the sights of Tangier whilst mainly missing the big groups. He was a fount of knowledge which he shared with us, making our time pass quickly. We saw local life as well as the tourist hot spots. Be aware this is a tour with lots of walking in narrow streets, up and down hill. You will certainly get your daily steps in, but it is an enjoyable way to do it. Our guide was very knowledgeable and patient with my group of 6, definitely met our expectations. Mohammed was early and waiting on us, which was great. Friendly and knowledgeable guide, he told us many particular anecdotes as well as a comprehensive explanation of the history of the city of Tangier. Mehdi was very knowledgeable about the sights of Tangier and it was great seeing the Medina with him. He was very responsive and asked what we were interested in seeing. We would highly recommend Mehdi and the Tangier walking tour. Mehdi was a fantastic guide in the old Medina, Kasbah and the delicious food of his father. The best Moroccan cuisine I have in my month-long stay in Morocco. He showed me the Berber market and I got the best deal ever. I have purchased carpets and kalims in Turkey and from Iran. These prices were the best. They gave me a silk runner for free. I returned to his father's restaurant where I had eaten a few hours before for pastille and limon juice on his father and his amazing restaurant called Vandalize. Mehdi and Abdul, his father, treated me like a king. Please come and meet Mehdi and his entire family. You are welcome to Tangiers. The food was delicious and plentiful, and the people were incredibly kind and friendly. They were always available to help with anything. Excellent guide, highly recommended. My wife and I recently visited Tangier. We wanted to tour the old town/Medina. We located Ryan with Muha Tours. Ryan showed us around the Medina, visiting carpets stores, jewelry stores, and several other traditional stores. He then took us to an amazing restaurant for authentic Moroccan food. Ryan did an amazing job showing us around Tangier, and I would highly recommend Muha Tours if you come to visit Tangier. A fantastic city guide, he answered all our questions and explained even the smallest details. Definitely check him out. Khadija gave us an interesting and informative tour of the old and new city, stopping at the fish and vegetable markets, Grand Socco, Café Hoffa with its incredible ocean view, Grandville Hotel, Matisse's room and more.